In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add events section in Wix. We're going to walk through adding a polished events section to your Wix site, from opening your editor to getting an event layout in place and ready to customize. By the end, you'll have a dedicated space on your website to showcase upcoming happenings, whether that's workshops, meetups, or launches. Start by heading to Wix and opening the editor for your website. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll see your site's list. Choose the site you want to work on, so you're editing the correct project. Once you've selected it, click Design Site to open the visual editor where you'll make changes to your pages. Inside the editor, look for the option to Add Section. This is how you insert pre-built blocks that already follow solid design practices. Next, choose Designed Sections. This opens a gallery of professional, ready-made layouts you can drop into your page, saving time and keeping your design consistent. Now we want the category for events. If you don't see it right away, use the next button to browse through the categories until you find events. When the events category appears, click it to view the available designs. You'll see different layouts. Some emphasize dates and images, others highlight details like location and description. Pick the one that best matches your site's style and the type of events you host. When you select a layout, click Add Wix Events. This connects your section to Wix's event features behind the scenes, so you get built-in functionality like event listings and attendee flows. A pop-up may appear with details about the app and what's included. When you're ready to proceed, simply close the pop-up by clicking the X so you can return to editing. With the events section now placed on your page, you can start editing it. Click directly on the section to update the title, date, time, and description. Adjust the location field for in-person events or specify online details if you're hosting virtually. Swap in your own images or icons to match your branding. If your layout supports categories or tags, use them to keep recurring series and special events easy to scan. Consider how much information you want visible at first glance. Short summaries help visitors quickly pick what interests them, while detailed descriptions can live on a dedicated event page. If your template includes RSVP or ticketing options, set the event type, capacity, and any registration details to guide your attendees clearly. Finally, check that colors, fonts, and spacing align with the rest of your site so everything feels cohesive. That's it. Your event section is added and ready for your content. Keep refining the text and visuals so visitors immediately understand what's happening, when, and how to join.